Hi, come with me to Disney's Port Orleans Resort French Quarter. So here is the beautiful lobby and registration area, gift shop, just more of the lobby. I love the theming. This is looking into the lobby from outside, just the garden area, some of the shops. Then we've got the buildings that just totally looks like you are in the French Quarter in New Orleans. Beautiful garden area with a fountain. And just some of the fun stuff along the property leading up to the pool. We've got some alligators, of course, Mickey beignets. And then we are heading into the pool area. They have a fabulous pool here. It's just great for families with kids. This is the pool with the slide you can see out of the serpent. And then just some fun areas. We got a little splash pad area. This kid area is fabulous. They have a small slide. Just more of a splash paddy area, and then just some of the fun things to do, little buckets that turn over. And it's just been redone recently, and it's just fabulous for families with young kids. And take a look here in this video. And then just some fun stuff, checkers and chess. Then we have a park here. And then here's the food court. So this is where you go up and order the food, and then all the chairs. And then the Scats Cats Lounge, which is open in the evening. They've got jazz music, some small bites. Mardi Gras is the bar right outside by the pool. Hi, welcome to the French Quarter newly renovated rooms. They are so beautiful. So when you walk in the door, you see this lovely little bench. Some artwork from Princess and the Frog, and a nice table. And we have our window here, which we have a garden view. So it really is just a beautiful garden view here. We're on the first floor. Right, so come on in. So we have this huge dresser credenza. It's really nice. Tons and tons of drawer space here. Soft close. So won't be waking people up if you like to unpack on your vacations. Then in here we have the beverage cooler, and it is a beverage cooler. It does not go below 41 degrees, just so you're aware. More space, coffee maker, and some shelves, and some cute Mardi Gras bead theming. All right, let's take a look over here. Turn around and take a look at the bedroom. So we've got two queens here. And the colors are just beautiful. It's like a blue seafoamy green. This is a double queen room. Well, they all have queens now, which is nice. And then, or king, you can store your luggage underneath, which you can see is really nice. So get that stuff out of the way. Nightstand between the two beds. You have some reading lights for those who like to read at night. And we've got Hey Disney. And then just some more artwork over there of Princess and the Frog. And then this beautiful barn door to close off if anyone's getting ready in the morning. So let's come on in here. Loving the mosaic-like tile. And if you look down here, they have a footstool that you could pull out and for the little ones so they can reach the sink. So I love that Disney thought of that. That's fabulous. All right, so we just have like our little closet area over here. We have a blow dryer, iron, trash can, luggage rack, hangers, pillow and blanket, safe, and then an extra full-length mirror. And this is a moderate resort. So Port Orleans French Quarter is a moderate resort. You have two sinks here, which is great. More than one person can be getting ready. Hello there. And the bathrooms are great because you have this door so you can separate the sink area from the shower and toilet. So you've got a tub combo here, and we've got some shampoo, body wash and conditioner, and your toilet, which is so nice. I love when they have that separation. It's so great. So yeah, if this looks fabulous to you, feel free to reach out to me and we can get your magical vacation booked.